The Easter Triduum. Tri means three, and Doom refers to days. 3 sacred days, yet one single mystery. The heart of our faith, the church bells, begin to fall silent. The altar is stripped. The tabernacle will soon stand empty, and suddenly time itself seems to slow down. The story begins in an upper room. A table, bread, wine, tired disciples. And Jesus, knowing that his hour has come. Then something shocking happens. The Master kneels. He washes dusty feet. The Lord becomes servant. The King bends low. Here, Holyweek teaches its first great lesson. Love serves. True greatness is not in power, it is in humility. And Jesus takes bread, he blesses it, and says, "This is my body." He lifts the cup, "This is my blood." Here the Holy Eucharist is instituted. Here too the priesthood is born. This is why Holy Thursday is so sacred. It is a night Christ gives himself to the church in the Eucharist and teaches that love must kneel before it can rise. The question right now, this night, is, do I only speak love or do I live it?